Alrighty, so folks, we were called by Pennsylvania State Police for a 3-car accident. A Chrysler 200, a Toyota RAV4, and a Silverado. They ended up canceling the tow for the Silverado, so we're going out to grab the 200 and the RAV4. So let's see how this goes. It's just up the road once this truck decides he wants to hit the gas. But Alex is already there in his rollback. I'm only a minute away. I can see the red lights flashing on the wires over there, so we'll take a look at what we got here and try to figure something out.
Okay, we still have 2 ambulances in there. Your one tow is already blocked the one ambulance. So
Yeah, I'm gonna have him back up, and we'll both park right in front of the rescue.
Okay,
yeah.
Yeah. So
that way they can get in and out, no problem. And because I don't want to delay them at all.
What's that?
I don't want to delay them at all. Gotta love it. Tow truck drivers and cops, they always park in the way. You'd think he'd know better as a former firefighter.
Right, just pull right in behind everybody else.
Funnel on in, right?
Absolutely.
Are all the drivers in the ambulances, or are they still... Okay.
That I don't know.
Alright, then we're gonna hang out.
I'm just
Yeah.
trying to figure out what happened. Somebody got smashed in the leg.
Yeah, because they called us and said for us to tow all 3, and then they called back 3 minutes later and said, well, actually, forget about towing the pickup. You're just going to tow the other 2.
All right, there's a RAV4. If you want to grab the RAV4, or the one behind it, which is front-wheel drive.
Which one's more mangled? Because the more mangled one...
They both have front and down. Well, the RAV4s have both front and rear, so the one in the back should be your...
That should go on your bed. Because I'm not going to try to throw dollies on something that the ass end is messed up.
Just walk down these pictures real quick.
Yeah, Sam will be on the way. He just left the shop, so...
Yeah.
Yeah, the one standing up there, he's like, yeah, your fucking tow truck's blocking the intersection. Or he's like, he's right there blocking fucking everything where everyone is.
I don't want to walk far, it's raining.
So they did actually have more here than what fucking County Cab was saying.
Oh, 100%. So I'm guessing Silverado's drivable.
I'm guessing the trooper's on the far side.
He's on the back side of everything.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to him first. Oh, look at the fire truck. Whew. You ready for us to do what we got to do? All right. All right. If anything, are you all right if I have the guy in the Silverado pull forward? All right. Yeah. So then we'll get this show on the road and try to get Strasburg opened up as quick as possible. All right, Alex, you want to flip around? I'm gonna have him move forward so you can get this one a while. Yeah, because I'm just gonna rip that front bumper off and. All right. So yeah, if you want to do that, I'll have him move forward.
Okay.
You're the driver of the pickup. Is this your truck?
Yeah.
Would you be able to move it forward or to the other side of the road so we can go ahead and get these going? Alrighty. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Come down and pull onto Strasburg. We're a little bit past Belmont, but you'll see all the flashing lights. We're all sitting on the right hand side of the road. So, all right, yeah, because by the time you get here, we'll be good to start cleaning everything up. So, all right, say it. Good Lord, kid. That's a long walk. So wanted to let you guys know we're gonna go ahead and start loading them up. We have our pickup truck and trailer coming.
Okay.
So just that way, figured I'd give you guys a heads up before he pulls up and yeah.
Where do you want to wait behind?
Yeah, we're just gonna shove him down in there. Hopefully by the time he gets here, the other ambo is gone and we can get him nice and close, or we'll get him up beside where all the cars were. Because then we'll just throw all the trash into that, and I don't know. I don't get paid enough to make decisions like that. Yeah, so I mean, he should be here soon, but I don't know, with the way people are driving today, who knows anymore. So I'm just glad that this isn't another Coco situation. At this point, I'm fine doing any accident as long as it's not another tractor trailer that rear ends an Amazon van and spills cocoa powder everywhere. Right. I remember that one. We still have that trailer that's still like 3/4 full with cocoa. Yeah, they surrendered the title to us, and we just never got rid of the cocoa.
You're drinking.
No, everybody forgot about it. So it's been sitting over in the one lot for a year, just getting hot, cold, wet, dry. It's all junk now. But yeah, I'm gonna get my truck spun around so that way. Yeah, we have our pickup truck and trailer. Since for the Chrysler, for the sedan, I have to rip the front bumper off because I'm not gonna bother fighting with trying to tie that up. It's gonna be easier for me to just grab the bumper and go whoop, and call it good and tow it that way. So he should. So what we'll probably do, because he'll be out of the way with the other car and I'll be down there, I'm gonna see if by that time the ambulance is gone, or if at all possible we can just squeeze him up right beside the cars where all the cleanup is, so we don't have to walk everything 100 yards back. So
how long is it till he gets here?
let me check his location. Somewhere on here. He's coming, he's passing Bachman Town Road on 896 right now. So by the time we get both of those up and ready to go, he should be pulling up. Then at that point it'll be a matter of minutes till we get everything cleaned up.
Your call has been forwarded to an...
Wait for him to get up and out of the way. Excuse me. Alright. And I told them up there, we have our pickup truck and trailer. That'll be here in a minute, so it'll help to get all this cleaned up too. Is there any chance once you get done, I'd be able to get a copy of the accident report? All right, thank you.
I was trying to figure out who was doing what. I'm gonna go pull pull up, you want to start getting yourself back here a while.
Yeah. Times like this, I wish this road had a bigger shoulder,
I hear you.
so I didn't have to walk all the way back and forth.
I hear you.
Alex, you want to grab another broom?
What?
You want to grab another broom?
Hey, you got one in your truck.
Yeah, so once I get down there, I'm gonna grab that real quick and just pull it forward, tie it down up here, so we can worry about cleaning all that up down there. All right. Time for my gameplay. Sorry.
Can I check something real quick?
Yep, not a problem.
All right, that's all I need. Thank you.
Yep. All right. Let me pull forward. All right, let me pull this, get this up out of the way, so that way we have a nice open space. Hey, how far out are you? 5 minutes. Okay. When you get here, you'll see my truck blocking the one side. Like a little further down, just nose up right up into my truck. All right.
So when I get there, side to pull up.
Yeah, my truck is facing westbound, just nose right up into my truck. All right.
Okay.
All right, say it.
You know where Sam is?
5 minutes away.
Of course.
Yeah. Well, that was like 3 minutes ago when I talked to him.
Alright, we're grabbing 6 bag boards off the
Okay.
This beautiful face.
I'm guessing you guys disconnected the batteries.
We did, yeah.
Okay.
Batteries right here.
All right, perfect.
Are you staying here till they pick the trash up?
Yeah, he'll be here in just a minute. I mean, I know we were talking about getting you guys 6 bags of oil dry. We should have that on our trailer, so I mean, it's up to you guys. I can either, I mean, that's him up there right now. So
Well, we
we
might as well wait. Instead of,
We can wait.
if they're gonna have a couple toes sitting out here, we might as well wait. Well, we'll let him come down and get
let him do that.
Last other shit.
Thank you guys. Thank
Yep, not a problem.
There you go. Don't want to make you feel left out.
All right, thank
Here,
you.
Sam, can I see that broom real quick before you put it away? You want to grab a shovel real quick? Oh, hang on, back up a little. I at least want to get most of this glass up. All right, right here. Yep, that'll work. All right.
Anybody get a picture of this thing yet?
Not yet. So, Sam, you want to grab one before you head out? Like from over by like the driver's seat right there at the door. Just snap it back so you can get this car in it. You want to turn off the lights then? Sorry, I was kind of acting up along.
Don't buy it yet.
No, I want to. All right. All right, we're getting out of here then. So, yeah.
I'm good.
Now I can go back to relaxing at home. I'll say ya. All right, good to go, Sam. Good. Yep. Alex, you want to just follow me back?
Yeah, I'll follow you.
All right. Well.